guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like a little while, a couple of months I believe, but mum life just kind of got in the way. So today Mateo is with my mum, so she's looking after him for the night, and I got to have some free time to play with my new palette. So today it's just going to be a makeup tutorial using the Jeffree Star Pink Religion palette. This is what it looks like. She is freaking beautiful. Love all the colors. Like this is like me, this whole palette. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. Yeah, as far as the quality goes, they're amazing. They blended so well, so pigmented. Like, look at this lid color. Are you kidding me? I freaking love it. That one is called Strawberry Youth. So I use Strawberry Youth, Pink Religion, Handbag Queen, Princess Crown, and I believe that is it. So all of those. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I freaking love it. I'm in love. I definitely recommend if you haven't picked this one up. Stay tuned for more looks because I'll definitely be doing that. Check out my Instagram, my TikTok. It'll also be there. And for future updates. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Well, it's not really a tutorial. It's going to be just like a sped up video. No talk through, nothing like that. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you enjoy my channel and my content, please subscribe to my channel. That'll be amazing. Like, share, and I guess I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and let's get started.
Get up, get down. Get up, get down. Get up, get down. The bass and sound. 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 Down for the bass and sound. get up, get down, get up, get down.